Hi fellow travelers. Today we're exploring Puerto de la Cruz, one of the most beautiful towns in Tenerife, Canary Islands. Located on the northern coast of Tenerife, Puerto de la Cruz offers a completely different atmosphere from the south of the island. Unlike the sunny south, the north is often covered by clouds, brought by the trade winds, creating a cooler climate and a lush green landscape that makes this part of Tenerife so unique and beautiful. This town beautifully combines modern shops, restaurants, and cafes with a rich historical heritage. There are no clear boundaries between nature and the urban landscape. Lush gardens, volcanic coastlines, and scenic ocean views blend seamlessly with historic streets and lively town squares, creating a unique atmosphere that makes Puerto de la Cruz so special. Despite the cloudier weather, Puerto de la Cruz is home to several beautiful beaches and the famous Lago Martiánez seawater pool complex. A spectacular seawater pool complex featuring several pools, sunbathing areas, cafes, restaurants, changing rooms, showers, and beautiful gardens. Please note that entry to the complex is not free. One of the most popular beaches in Puerto de la Cruz is Playa Jardín, a beautiful black sand beach designed by the renowned Canarian artist Cesar Manrique. Surrounded by tropical gardens and palm trees, it's the perfect place to relax, swim, or simply enjoy the stunning views of the Atlantic Ocean. Another beach that we visited is Playa del Muelle, a small black sand beach located next to the old fishing harbor in the heart of Puerto de la Cruz. So, fellow travelers, that was Puerto de la Cruz. We hope you enjoyed this tour. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us on our next adventure. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.